Tkinter allows you to display images in a window as well. So to start off, you'll need a PNG image. Here I have my profile icon. You can use any PNG image. Just try and keep it small. And let's create a new file saying png display.py. Import Tkinter SDK root is equal to tk.tk, then root.main loop regular, and up here we say image is equal to tk.PhotoImage. So PhotoImage takes an argument which is the location of the file. So file is equal to, and then inside this the location of the file. So profile.png, it's in the same folder, so I can directly write it. Let's check if there are any errors with this. Okay, no errors at all. Let's close this. But we can't pack this, can we? Image.pack. No, we can't pack images. The only way that you can display plain images is by putting them in labels. So let's create our basic label. img label is equal to tk.label. Our master root, comma, instead of saying text, we say image. As you can see, that's a valid parameter. Inside this, we say image. Image is equal to image, and img label.pack. That should be good. Let's try and run this. And as you can see here in our window, I have my profile icon. In future videos, we'll be resizing these images, but for now this is good. So you can see it's a regular pack for any image, and it works perfectly. If you give an invalid encoding such as JPEG, JPG, TIFF, GIF, any of those, it won't be accepted. You might get something like a Unicode error, cannot decode, something like that. So you need to use PNGs. If you use the PIL module, which you can install from command prompt with pip install capital P, capital I, capital L, PIL, you can use any file format including TIFF, GIF, PNG, JPEG, and JPG. You can use any of those file formats, and you can still use images. Also, it gives you better quality images even after you resize them. But for now, we have just a static image, so this should be good. In the next tutorial, we'll be making a calculator, a GUI calculator with Tkinter.